Around 75% of American people drink coffee every single day, NCA releases. And all thanks to the caffeine, which has a refreshing and boosting effect on our body. At the same time, lemon is also one of the most common fruits in our kitchen, and it is also full of several health benefits. Are you also wondering about why everyone should drink coffee and lemon every day? If yes, then you have just landed on the right video. Check the description below, download our free cookbook. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about some health benefits of coffee. So sit back and make sure to stick with me till the end of the video, so that you don't miss any tea. Now without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. Coffee is one of the most loved drinks in the entire world, which is derived by brewing the coffee beans. It is mostly known for boosting our energy levels and enhancing our focus. On the other hand, lemon is one of the major citrus fruit which not only provides our body with vitamin C, but is also a major antioxidant in our body. And drinking coffee along with lemon is known to reduce your body fat levels as well. So let's take a deeper look at coffee's benefits. 1. Boost energy. Caffeine increases the energy levels in our body by blocking the adenosine receptors and enabling the neurotransmitters to function effectively. It also decreases fatigue and helps our body to function to a greater extent. 2. Reduces the risk of diabetes. Yes, you heard me just right. Coffee is known to reduce the risk of diabetes, and all thanks to its function of preserving the beta cell functions of pancreas, which regulate the release of insulin into our body. It also affects the insulin sensitivity because of its antioxidant nature. So if you happen to take coffee regularly, then your chances of having type 2 diabetes are greatly decreased. 3. Brain health. People who drink coffee have a lower chance of developing brain diseases, especially Parkinson's disease. Also, if you are afraid of suffering from dementia in your old age, then don't forget to drink coffee every day, as its consumption also reduces the risk of developing dementia. 4. Coffee with lemon. A mixture of coffee and lemon is known to reduce fat greatly. Most commonly, 1 cup of coffee with juice of 1 lemon is preferred and known to melt fat to a greater extent. Not only that, it is also known to ease headaches. It also supports gut health and maintains your internal health as well. People who drink more than 1 cup of coffee are more likely to meet their recommended physical activity levels, as compared to those who drink 1 cup of coffee per day. Liking the video so far? Then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. 5. Prevents liver diseases. Coffee is also known to reduce the risk of liver cancer and liver scarring. It is one of the major diet components, which can greatly reduce the risk of developing liver diseases. 6. Longevity. Want to live a longer life? Well, coffee can help you with that, as caffeine greatly reduces the risk of developing several diseases. The people who drink coffee more regularly are expected to live longer, as compared to the people who don't drink coffee at all. All thanks to its antioxidant nature, which helps our body to combat with the free radicals, and hence help us live for a longer period of time. Well, which health benefit of coffee fascinated you the most? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, it's time for us to say goodbye, but don't be sad, as I will be back with another amazing video soon. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon button so that you don't miss any update from my channel. See you all soon. Thanks for watching.